Hello, how to evaluate with our calculator? This is 27 power 5 minus 27 power 4. Now, let's start by expressing 5 as summation of 4 and 1. So I have 27 power 4 plus 1 minus 27 power 4. If you have a power n plus m equals a power n times a power n. So you have 27 power 4 times 27 power 1 minus 27 power 4. So from here, factor out 27 power 4 of 27 power 4 times this divided 27 power 4 of 27 minus this divided 27 power 4 by half 1. So from here, I have 27 power 4 times 27 minus 1. This is 26. So we can express 27 as 3 power 3. So this is 3 to the power of 3. This is raised to the power 4 times 26. And if you have a power n, raised to the power of m equals a power n times m. So from here, we have 3 power 3 will give us 12 times 26. So to find the value of 3 power 12, I can express it as this is 3 power 10 plus 2, that is 12, times 26. Now, if you have a power n plus m equals a power n times a power m. So applying that here, I'm simply going to have 3 power 10 times 3 power 2 times 26. So from here, we need to find the value of 3 power 10. So 3 power 10 equals, this is 3 power 5 times 2. And this is 3 power 5 raised to the power of 2. Remember, we have a power n times n equals a power n raised to the power of n. So applying that here, we have this. That means we need to find the value of 3 power 5. This is 243. And this is raised to the power of 2 here. And this will give you 243 times 243. So let's multiply that out. 243 times 243. 3 times 3, 9, 3 times 4, 12, 2 carry over 1. 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7. 4 times 3, 12, 2 carry over 1. 4 times 4, 16 plus 1, 17. 7 carry over 1. 4 times 2, 8 plus 1, 9. 2 times 3, 6, 2 times 4, 8, 2 times 2, 4. So we add. This is 9, this is 4, this is 20, 0 carry over 2 and add here, 11 plus 1, this is 19, 9 carry over 1 add here, this is 5. So that is 59049. So from here, this simply means 59049 times 3 power 2, that is 9 times 26. So we need to multiply this out. So let's start by multiplying 59049 times 9. This is 59049 times 9. So 9 times 9, that is 81. 1 carry over 8. 9 times 4, that is 36 plus 8, 44. 4 carry over 4. Then we have 9 times 0, that is 0 plus 4, 4. 9 times 9 again, that is 81. 8 carry over 1 carry over 8. Then 9 times 5, that is 45 plus 8. That is 50. 3. 531441. So guys, that is it. So we will multiply this by 26. So 531441 times 26. 531441 times 26. So guys, we can do that. 6 times 1, 6, 6 times 4, 24, 4 carry over 2. 6 times 4 again, 24, 24 plus 26, 6 carry over 2. 6 times 1, 6 plus 2, 8. 6 times 3, 18. So what you need to do, you have 8 carry over 1. 6 times 5, 30 plus 1, 31. 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 4 again, that is 8. Then 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 5, you have 10. So the next thing you're going to do will be to add up. So let's add up these two numbers together. This, we bring it down here, that is 6. 4 plus 2, that is 6. Then 6 plus 8, that is 14. 4 carry over 1, and add to this becomes 9. 9 plus 8, that is 17. 7 and carry over 1 again, and add to 8, that is 9. 9 plus 2, that is 11. So you have 1 and carry over 1 again, and add to this, it becomes 2. 2 plus 6, that is 8. So you bring the 3 plus 0, you have 3, and 1 here, you have 1. So right now we have this. This is 30,817,466. So the value for, we have 27 power 5 minus 27 power 4 equals 13,817,466. And we have achieved this without the use of calculator. So, and this is also the same as, this is 3 power 3 raised to the power 5 minus 3 power 3 raised to the power 4. So if you multiply this out, the exponent, this will give you 3 power 15 minus 3 power 12. So this will also give you the same answer as 13,817,466. So that is exactly the same thing. So guys, this is how you evaluate this without the use of calculator step by step. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you and goodbye.